In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT as a personalized passive income consultant to generate and evaluate business ideas based on your specific skills. Let's get started. First, I'm heading over to the ChatGPT homepage. I already have a detailed persona prompt ready in my notepad to set the stage. I'll copy this text where I define myself as Josh, a content creator and online educator with skills in writing, teaching, and digital marketing. I'm specifically asking the AI to act as my passive income generator, focusing on realistic, specific, and actionable suggestions rather than vague concepts. I'll paste that into the chat box and send it. ChatGPT acknowledges the role and outlines the principles it will follow, such as focusing on solo creators with limited startup budgets and aligning ideas with my core strengths. Now that the AI understands my background, I'm going to grab my next prompt from my notepad. I'm asking for 10 specific passive income ideas tailored to my skills, ranked from the lowest to the highest barrier to entry. I'll paste this into the message bar and hit enter. As ChatGPT generates the list, it provides a deep dive into each option. It starts with simple tasks like selling digital templates and creating a paid newsletter, then moves into more complex projects like building Notion templates and micro courses. For every idea, it includes a description, estimated startup time, and the realistic income potential, which makes it much easier to visualize the path forward. For the third step, I want to see ideas that leverage the work I've already done so I don't have to start from scratch. I'll copy my prompt asking for 5 ideas based on existing content and an audience. Once I paste and send this, ChatGPT suggests repurposing my best material into assets like a paid resource library or evergreen affiliate content. It even provides a realistic timeline for when I might start seeing consistent revenue for each suggestion, emphasizing the power of repackaging existing knowledge. Finally, I need a structured way to decide which of these ideas is actually worth my time. I'll copy one last prompt from my notepad to create a custom evaluation framework. This prompt asks for 5 key criteria and a simple scoring method. I'll paste it into the chat, and ChatGPT generates a complete evaluation worksheet. It covers essential metrics like skill alignment, scalability, and audience demand. It even provides an example evaluation for a micro course to show me exactly how to use the scores to prioritize my next project. Now I have a clear roadmap to start building my next passive income stream. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.